Hello, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change Favicon on Bigcommerce website. And by the way, the Favicon is this small image at the top of the URL or the tab right here. To change it, the first thing you will need to do is go onto your Bigcommerce dashboard. Once on the dashboard, you are going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you are going to scroll down and you are going to select Storefront. After selecting Storefront, I want you to tap on Logo. Once you have tapped on Logo, you are going to be redirected to this dashboard and you are going to quickly scroll down. Then you are going to see Favicon and you are going to tap on Replace Image. And you can see the supported files right here and you can also see the recommended size. For this tutorial, I used Canva to create my Favicon. And the recommended size would be 48 by 48 px. So all you need to do is tap on custom size, then type in 48 by 48 px and tap on create new design. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page, and from there you can add the image that you'd like to use. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on share. Then from there you can download the Favicon. After doing that, all you'll need to do now, once on this dashboard, we are going to tap on Replace Image. Then select the image, tap on Open. You can see it right there. Then we'll tap on Save in the bottom right-hand corner. You can see that it has been saved. Now, if I were to tap on View Store, you will realize that the Favicon has now changed. So just give it a few seconds. You can see right there that it has changed. So before it was looking like this, but if I were to refresh the page right now, you will realize that the Favicon has changed. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.